Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to discuss other built-in functions which are called string functions. Built-in functions are those functions that are already defined in Python and we do not need to define them again. So string are those values or those entries which are written inside quotations in Python. Anything written inside quotations are called string, and it may be any character, it may be any integer or anything. Here are some common string operations. First is capitalize. It is used to make anything in capital form. Next is lower. It is used to make any number in smaller letters. Upper is used to make any number or value or alphabets in capital letters. And next is used to make a title. Title means it will convert in such a way that first letter of each word will be capital, and next is used to check whether the number is numeric or not. So in this way, let me check how does this work, and I'm going to run this on my Python software. And what will I do? I will define a string here. Let us suppose A is the string in which we write anything in quotation, and I can write here is that the book is on the table. This is a string and I want to print in such a way that I am going to write in upper case letter, and I will simply run this code. And when I run this code, then you will see here that it will be executed in such a way that when I run this code from upper tab, then it is in such a way written that you can see here it is all capital. And now I write here lower in place of upper, and when I write here lower, then everything will be written in smaller letters. Similarly, I can write it in capital form as well, and when I write and I use title, then it will make it in title, and title means first letter of each word will become capital. So this is how it works, and in this way we can create it. And next I'm going to check whether it is numeric or not. So I will write here is numeric, and when I write here is numeric, then it will tell us whether the value written in string is integer or not, is number or not. So in this way, when I check, then it is false, which means the entries or the data written inside the string is not a number, it is alphabet. So this is how the string works. Thank you so much. That was all for this, and we will continue in next lecture for more information.